Well, the next radio is this little General Electric 515F I got for $20 at the Kutztown radio event up in Pennsylvania. And it's pretty much a little survivor. It's got all the knobs, the cabinet's in decent shape, just a couple scratches here and there. But I like it's got the original cord on it still. It's got all the original stickers on the back, even the label tells you how to clean the cabinet still on there. And it looks like it was last serviced about 62 years ago, or at least serviced 62 years ago. I tried getting the clock to work just by plugging it in, and the hands, or the second hand, doesn't turn. I don't hear any noise from it. So we'll see how that goes. But a great way to really learn how to fix these radios is to watch the YouTube channel Practically Fixed. And the gentleman there's got a 3-part series on how to restore this style of radio. In my videos I show you what I want to do, or I hope to do, and then I show you the results. He actually goes through and shows you how to get everything fixed properly and what to look for. So I'm watching those videos and taking notes so I can hopefully get this thing up and running as well. So I guess the first thing would be is just take it out of the cabinet and see what we got. Yeah, there's just a little bit of dust in this. Wow. Man, I cleaned it up a little bit when I did that doesn't work video, but yeah, it's just covered in dust. And there's some Scotch tape or something here. I'm not sure what that's about. But at least I know it does work. It's good to know this isn't cracked or anything, so that should be fine. But yeah, this is gonna take a lot of cleaning. Ugh. Well, it looks a lot better. It's not perfectly clean, but a lot cleaner. I used the vacuum cleaner and a paintbrush and just sort of brushed the dirt off, and so it wouldn't suck up any tubes or break any wires or anything. And underneath, there was a metal shield. I already took it off. Looks pretty, really clean. I think the only thing they may have changed in '61, maybe that capacitor, and maybe the electrolytics, I'm not sure, but everything else, I mean, the grommets look brand new, everything looks brand new. Yeah, you can see the common ground and one of the sides for the electrolytics were electric taped together with the other wires, so that's definitely been replaced. And one of the capacitors, I just tested it real quick, it's supposed to be a 0.05, it's reading a 0.07, so you know, little things are going to have to be changed. But this doesn't look too bad at all. Little blast of deoxit in the volume switch. So that's pretty stiff. And that's about all I'm going to do today. Just going to maybe put a little drop of oil on her, hopefully smooth it up, and jump on this in a week or two. Alright, I'm going to go back and review the videos again, and so I'll make sure I don't screw anything up, and we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.